Hello, honey. Yeah, I'm just here, just woke up not too long. So, yeah, I'm tired. Just made a cup of coffee. Yeah, so just, oh, you're so funny. No, man, I'm just taking a cup of coffee. Like, who's gonna take alcohol in the morning? So, I'm just there. I'm just gonna go shower, catch the train, go to work. How about we go to lunch on me when I get to work? Is that okay? Lunch on me, baby. Yeah. Love you. Okay. Bye. Ciao.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hello, Tony. Nothing. I just dey wake up.
A town hall.
Eh.
Different.
It's my hair. I did. Hmm? I know they happy. I not sleep well. I just dey wake. I just tire. I wake up this morning. My landlord did my door. Tony. Hello. Hello, Tony. You dey hear? Which time you say you know the hear? I don't call my landlord now. You don't say you know they hear me.
Are you playing?
Stop and Tony. Talk to me, I beg. I know they like all this guy. Tony, don't reach house right now. You don't ask you know they hear me.
Chai!
That's why you dey do your thing. I make you not call me yesterday. Tony, you dey hear me now, Tony. Tony, stop now. Hello.
I'm not hear word.
Eh, eh, hello. Tony. Hello. You don't cut.
Obi.